Hi everyone, I'm Emma from Planything and welcome at the unboxing video of the autumn box of 2020. The box is called Happy Autumn and available to order until August 24 or until it sells out. I'm going to show you all the beautiful products in this box and I'm really excited about it. I hope you of course like it too. And I hope to see you at my Plan With Me video later this month. Bye! Hi everyone! I'm going to unbox the Happy Autumn box. Let's start what is in this box. In this box are, for the first time, 3 clear sticker sheets, 3 paper sticker sheets, 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets, one washi tape that is 1.5 centimeter width, 4 skinny washi tapes, 1 clear stamp, also for the first time, 1 really cute pouch, 1 sticky notes and 1 pen. Okay, let's start looking at what is in here. The box will be shipped in this little cute bag, of course in the box, but the products will be in this bag. Let's start with the stickers. For the first time, I'm going to try some clear stickers out. I know people really like them, so I thought why not try to use them in this autumn box. There will be still paper stickers like these. Okay, let's start with the beginning. I have some little circles because in the first box I also had them and people really like them. Of course, the famous boxes, I really like them a lot. And some autumn texts, of course, and a little bit more boxes and 1 big box for if you want to need to write a little bit more. And then the clear sticker sheets. If you don't know what clear sticker sheets are, they're transparent. I'm going to show, let's show. And when you stick them on white paper, it looks like this. I really like them. Also the flowers, I think you really can make a lot of beautiful spreads with them. Let's go to the next item. The paper. Everything is matching again. As you can see, the paper is also matching the pouch, but also the stickers. Yeah, I really like to use all patterns for the products. Really autumn vibes. I really like to combine florals with seasonal themes because it's the best of both worlds, I think. And this one again, there's a little bit of line, so you could write things down here, or you can use it as memory keeping or a dashboard. You can write here, for example, August or September or October, and it's one. Then I'm going to the washies. These are the washies that are in this box. I think they're pretty cute. A lot of pumpkins, flowers, leaves. Let's open them. Washi with the florals, the skinny washi with the pumpkins, the skinny washi with the leaves, another skinny washi with pumpkins, and the bigger washi with the pumpkins also. I really like this color. And for the first time in the box, a clear stamp I think they are really nice to use in your planner. They're both, let's see, yes. If you don't have a acrylic block where you can add them to, you can also just keep this plastic on here, so you can just put them on the ink. It's a cute little leaf. I really like it. You can also, what I like about this shape is that you can stamp it in your planner and also write down things in here. That's why I did not did any other details, because I really like that you can use the lot and write down also in it. Of course you can detail it more with your pen or other things. Then this really cute sticky note is the same size of the width is the same size of the Happy Planner vertical boxes, for people that really like to use a lot of sticky notes. I'm always using a lot of sticky notes. For my future plans I always write them on sticky notes, but I normally use bigger ones, like in box 1, the May box with the botanicals, but I learned that people also like to use small sticky notes, so I decided to do one small one. And there are a lot on there. You can just stick them in your planner. Then this cute little pen. Can you tell that I really like these pens with the glitter? I really love them, and they write so smooth. And I also of course like that there's also Planything in here. They really like black ink. And last but not least, this cute little pouch. I'm really in love with it. You can add a lot of things in here, like your pens and washi. Here's space for pens. You can add the washi in here if you want. You can add more pens, you can add sticky notes, stamps. Yeah, you can really add a lot of things in here, and yeah, I'm really in love with it. I really hope you like it too. I'm really a fan of it. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video with all the lovely products in the Happy Autumn box, because this box really makes me happy. The box is available to order until August 24. I hope to see you in my next video, where I will be doing a plan with me video. Will be later on this channel this month. And of course don't forget to follow the Planything Instagram, where I will be sharing a lot of inspiration with this box made by other creative planner girls that created layouts for me, to show you what you can create with the box. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!